Good morning traders and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday the 8th of June. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let us kick off and have a look at what's happened overnight with the Aussie. We'll start off there first. Our GDP number came in at 0.3%, stronger than the forecast of 0.2, and consequently the dollar jumped and reacted immediately by about 40 pips before ending the day at the 75.50 handle. The Aussie is on a bit of a solid run this week, and we may see some profit taking ahead of today's roller coaster, which will be the UK elections. In the US, we had crude oil inventories and oil prices dropped yesterday nearly more than $2 after the US Energy Information Administration showed that the domestic crude supplies rose by 3.3 million barrels for the week. So there was an additional surplus of oil. Oil prices dropped by just over $2. Alright, it is now time to have a look at our chart of the day. Consequently, yesterday's chart of the day, which was also a trading challenge, has triggered so that that Euro USD. But today's chart of the day it's a gold chart, and we can see that we are possibly seeing a double top. So we've produced an inside candle at the correct region, which is over here, and should we break the bottom of the inside candle, well then that would give us the go ahead to aggressively try and trade what could potentially be a double top. So it looks very textbook type chart. The double top can seem a little bit aggressive at times, because should the market break down and then continue up, well then really it's not a double top at all, but that's the risk that you take when you're trying to attempting to trade such a pattern. Okay, so there you have it. Our chart of the day today is a double top with an inside candle on our gold daily chart. Alright, let's move on and have a look at what's happening in the session that is about to unfold for us. We have at 11:30 the trade balance coming in for the Aussie dollar. Look out for that. At 9:45 tonight we have the interest rate decision from Europe, and at 10:30 we have the press conference for the ECB for the euro, and also unemployment claims for the USD. At after midnight at 1:15 in the morning from Canada, we have Governor Pollock's will be speaking, so any Canadian dollar traders there, and also tentatively we do have the China trade balance numbers, and of course we have the GBP election. So hold on to your seats, everybody, and if you're trading the GBP today, it may be a bit of a volatile ride. If you're trading Aussie dollar, you do have the trade balance from both Australia and China due out today. If you're trading the GBP AUD combination, well then really hang on to your seats. As always guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news, and most importantly, have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.